Hey guys, it's Chris Hurst here with Sentinel Emergency Solutions. Today we're going to do something a little different. I want to show you what a breathing apparatus looks like coming out of the box from our manufacturer, MSA. So I think some people really like to see what stuff looks like new. So I've got a knife, I got a pair of dikes so I can help cut this thing up a little bit and not cut myself like I did earlier. But here we go. So we want to unbox the MSA G1. Okay, so they secure this thing really well from the factory. There's no chance that this thing's going to get hurt when it comes out from the factory. So then I'm just going to take this apart and we'll just kind of show you what everything looks like inside of the box. All right, so there's our regulator holder and our seatbelt clip. And inside this end of the G1 is our regulator. Okay, so I'm going to take this out of our box, set it down right here so you can kind of look at it. Okay, we got a CD that comes with all the instructions that you need. Also in here is our battery. So this unit comes with a rechargeable battery. So we got a rechargeable battery. Doesn't come with very much juice in it when you first get it, but then you can see everything is really well secured inside here with bubble wrap. Kit gloves. I should have my white gloves on, I know. I slacked today. But take this off, our bubble wrap, so you can see our quick connect cylinder holder. I'm going to take the chest strap and open that up. And then while I'm doing this, I'm going to open up all of our straps for the SCBA's shoulder straps. There we go. Our regulator helps us get air, most important thing on, or one of the most important things on the scene. So take our bubble wrap off, you can see our regulator. And then on our control module, let's take this apart. This control module happens to have a dual screen on it, which has an LCD readout and an analog gauge readout. It also has an integrated thermal imaging camera that's built into this SCBA. So you can see there's kind of our unveiling of the SCBA. Now hold on. This is where it's important to use some kind of a cutter to get the tag, one of the tags off that comes disclaiming the G1. Don't use a knife like this. Trust me, you don't want to do that. Okay, so here's our SCBA cylinder. We want to adjust the band. This band is a universal band, so we can adjust for almost any length cylinder. We actually have 45-minute cylinders, so I like making sure there's 8 open slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 open slots. And what do you say we put a cylinder in there? Okay. Let's come back out. We'll open up an MSA SCBA cylinder. So this cylinder is a 4,500 PSI cylinder. And this cylinder has 66 cubic feet of air in it, which roughly brings out a 45-minute, or some people will call it a 45-minute bottle. So it has, where'd my cutters go, Grace? All right, so I'm going to cut the tag off from the manufacturer of the cylinder. I'm going to take off my quick connect adapter. So there you can see unboxing of an SCBA cylinder. And if I did this correctly, this should slide right into the cylinder and land in place where it's supposed to. Okay, there's one more piece that we have to have with the SCBA, and that is our face piece. So this is a G1 face piece. And this one is ready to go. It's got a neck strap, it's got the 4-point harness. It actually comes with a, I don't know what they call it, friction, the cover up so it doesn't get scratched while it's in delivery. So there you have it. Just wanted to take a couple minutes and show you guys what it looks like when you get a brand new SCBA. If you guys have any questions or have a need for a new breathing apparatus, please give somebody at the Sentinel team a call.